Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Shut off the water supply at the main or the local isolation valve so you won't make a mess. Once the flow is stopped, loosen a stuck nut by applying penetrating oil and let it sit for 5–10 minutes. This softens corrosion. While that works, lay out tools, adjustable wrench, locking pliers, replacement handle, and put on gloves and eye protection. Make sure towels and a small bucket are ready to catch residual water as you begin work. Now remove the broken handle. Hold the valve stem steady with pliers and loosen the lock nut counterclockwise. This prevents twisting the valve body. Once the nut is off, pull the handle straight up. If it sticks, use locking pliers to grip the stub or tap the base gently with a rubber mallet to free it. Next, clean the exposed stem with a wire brush and a rag to remove rust and old grease. Apply lubricant or anti-seize so the new handle will fit smoothly and resist future corrosion. Finish by seating the replacement handle. Align the splines or square drive and press or thread it onto the stem until it fits flush. Once positioned, hold the stem steady and tighten the lock nut snugly. Do not over-tighten because that can bind the valve. Turn the supply back on slowly. Operate the handle through full open and closed cycles to confirm smooth motion. If you see a leak or stiffness, shut the water, red-eye-tin, or re-lubricate the stem, and recheck until the valve works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.